Rise and grind, good people, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2014 Chevy Corvette C7. We're working on an alternator. Got a loyal client. Hit me up, man. He changed the battery on it. I came out and diagnosed the alternator, and it was not charging. So we're going to go ahead and knock this out. And I'm going to show you how, man. It's right up on the top, as you can see. Alright, gotta get that belt off. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Open up your trunk, get up under here, move that piece there. Battery, negative terminal, 10mm. Remove it. Alright, so I went ahead and took off this intake hose. We got a flat head right there. Pull that back, and we look down here, straight down. That's the tensioner, and we got a 15mm wrench on it. Alright, so I got a wrench on that one, on the end of it to get leverage, and I let it just sit right up under there, and it released the tension. I removed the belt, sat it to the side, and we should be able to go back on once we got the new one in. Some of y'all might want to remove this. You see, I'm working around it though. Now we want to squeeze this clip here. That'll come out. Battery. Alright, we got the terminal power wire right here. That's gonna be a 13mm. Got that removed, and we got a top bolt here, 15mm. This one at the bottom. Right there. I took that bolt out. Now I'm down here on the bottom. I got a ratchet wrench on there. I'll work that out. Alright, you might need a pry bar. Get behind here. I was able to do it with my hands. And as you can see here, I wanted to show you that bolt does not come all the way out because of this air box here. So we're gonna have to make room and get this out the way. Got a 10mm there. Another 10mm over here. Got those two 10mm out. Let's see if we can move that around now. Two of them right there. Now we can push. Now we can push this here so we can make room and get this out of here. There you go. Just like that. Alternator is out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hit the store, man. Go get this part. Swap it out. Return that core. We gotta get this belt on next. Everything hooked up. Go ahead and hook those back up. Alright, we in there, hook up that battery. Alright, that did it, man. Hope the video helped out. Until next time, pull up, King.